Well, I believed in more than you and me before that storm had ever hit me. I perceived a chance, a possibility for romance, but what I received was nothing. I can see a start, a break in where we are, a chance to leave with something. It was one hell of a shot, and the truth is I can't help anyone, and you'll surely